Is she going to behave, or is she going to get too boisterous and he gets all mad? Yeah, because I can't. You have to back up a little bit. He's holding on to her. Look at his face, watch. He always does, like, when they do that, he'll put his head up like, don't bite my nose. Look at his face. Like she's going under him.
Oh, smack down.
Here, take the camera because you can get better angle.
Oh,
that's good.
thumping him.
Oh, look, he has her pit. Oh. Funny how Percy's, yeah, they're